back to one more amazing video of YouTube marketing course, and in this video we are going to talk about how to write a YouTube video script. Yes guys, it is very important to understand that how you can write a YouTube video script so that the audience can engage with your content and watch your every videos and provide you a good watch time and ultimately get a good number of subscribers. Right now, in this particular video I'm not going to write a script. I'm just going to give you an idea that how you should write a video script, what are the key points you should keep in mind while writing a video script. Right, so let's start with this video. Now the first slide is why scripts are required in your video creation. Yes guys, now you might be thinking that why we should write a script before creating a video. Why don't just start a camera and record a video? Well guys, if you are not planning for your video, there's a high chance that you will end up with a totally non-engaging video, which people will not want to watch at all. Right now, in order to get a good quality content, basically a video that gets high engagement and good number of subscribers, for that you need to create a script. Now the thing is, what are the main key benefits you get by creating a video script? So the first point is good quality content. Or good content quality. Obviously guys, if you are creating a video script, obviously you will be trying to add a good content while writing the script, and it is not the thing that you can do spontaneous while just start the camera and record the video. No, it is not like that. You can do in some exception topics, but the thing is, not in every video you can create a good quality content without a script. Right now, the second point is continuity. Yes guys, in order to maintain the continuity throughout the video, you need to create a video script, because without a video script you might lose the continuity, and ultimately your viewers will also lose the interest in your video and they will leave your video, and overall you will end up with losing the subscribers. Right now, the third point is cover all topics. Yes guys, if you are doing the spontaneous thing, you might forget any specific topic or specific point, any important point, but the way which I am suggesting you, basically the script writing and then shoot the video way, is helps you to cover all the topics and gives you an inner satisfaction that you have provided a good quality content to your audience. Right now, the third point is content enhancement. Obviously, if I'm talking about good content quality, obviously your content will also get enhanced when you are creating the script. Now the fifth point is sequencing of content. Yes guys, you can do the sequencing as well, because if you are going without a script, which means just the spontaneous thing, you just started turn on the camera, turn on the recording and just recording the video without any script, in that case you might lose the sequencing. And in some topics sequencing is very important, so in that kind of topics or in that kind of video categories, sequencing is very important, and if the sequencing is important, then the script is also important. So these are the benefits, you can say, if you are creating the script, or if you are not creating script for your YouTube channel videos, then these are the things which can be improved when you create a video script for your YouTube channel videos. Right now, types of scripts. So mainly there are two types of scripts. The first one is word to word and the second one is bullet point. Personally, I suggest you to go with the bullet point, because this helps you to be yourself, the first mainly, and the second point is, if you are going with bullet point script types, you will not get hesitate while recording. Right, because if you are on a initial days of your YouTube channel and if you are not familiar with the camera, then word to word is very hard type of script where you need to read and learn all the lines like we do in our movies, and then you have to deliver those lines in front of the camera, and it is pretty hard in order to if we are recording around like 8 to 10 minutes of video. Right, it is very time consuming and sometimes we get hesitated as well. So I personally prefer bullet points, but it is totally up to you that which type of script you are going with, and it depends on the content as well. Like if you are doing any kind of skit on your YouTube channel, then word to word is the option you need to choose. Now if I go to the next slide, here I have mentioned as well that what type of script you should be followed, right? The first one is, if you have sharp memory and you are comfortable in memorizing and in the delivery of process, if you don't get nervous, then you should follow word to word script. Yes guys, so I've already told you that if you have a sharp mind and you can memorize the whole script line to line, word to word, and if you are comfortable with delivering the whole script in front of camera without getting nervous, without getting hesitated, then you can go with the word to word script. Otherwise, you have the second option, which one is the bullet point option. I have mentioned as well, if you are not a good memorizer but you can deliver your thoughts by seeing the topic name, then you make bullet points script for your video creation, right? So you just create a bullet points, and when you are recording, you just check out those bullet points and evaluate those points according to your thought, according to your idea, according to your knowledge and experience, right? So this is what to script type is, and it is totally up to you which you should follow. And my personal opinion I've already given you, which is bullet points, right? Now let's go to the next slide, which is what are the different stages of the script. So mainly there are three stages in any script. The first one is hook line, which is the first 15 seconds of your video mainly, right? Here I have mentioned as well, it is starting pickup line which helps your users to get hooked with your video. And if the hook line is not good, then there's a high chance that the user or the viewers will end up by losing the interest in your video and they will leave the video, right? So it is very important to create very strong hook lines, right? And as I've already mentioned, that initial 15 seconds is important, so the hook line is pretty much the 15 seconds, the first 15 seconds of your video, right? Then the second part is content, which is the main portion of your video where you provide the real value, real content, right? Where you provide all the information on the topic which you are using in the particular video. At the end, we do have the CTA, call to action, where we ask our user, ask our viewer to do any kind of action, be it is hit the subscribe button, bell icon, or share this video, or maybe watch our another video, right? So at the end we need to add the CTA as well. This will help you to increase the overall stats of your channel, right? So keep this thing in mind whenever you are creating a video script. You need to add these 3 points in your video. Hook line should be there, the content, obviously we will be adding the content as well, but and the CTA also should be there, right? So these are the 3 key points that makes a good video script. Now let's go to the next slide, and here we do have what are the requirements of writing a script. So whenever you are writing a script, what are the main or the key requirements? The first one is good knowledge of the topic is required. Obviously, if you don't have a good knowledge of topic, first you should analyze the topic. You should go to different platforms. Even you can go to YouTube as well and gather some good amount of knowledge on that specific topic, right? Then the second point is choose the topic in which you are interested. So I have mentioned this because sometimes people lose interest in the topic which they choose, and if you're losing the topic on that particular interest, there's a high chance that you will be not able to create a good and engaging video. So it is very important to understand that in which area you are interested and create videos around those topics as only, right? Now the third point is choose the language in which you are comfortable. Yes guys, because you need to evaluate the things whenever you are creating a channel. So there's a high chance that you need to evaluate the things, be it is the word to word script or the bullet point script. Because if you are going with the word to word script, so you don't need to uh, know the language, but you need to understand the emotions behind those words, behind those lines, right? So for that you should be comfortable with that language. And if you are going with the bullet point script, then obviously you need to evaluate the point with your knowledge, with your experience and uh, data points, right? So for that you need to be comfortable with the language. And at the end, I've mentioned that be natural, be real, right? So you have to be yourself. You don't need to copy anyone, you don't need to replicate any character, right? You just need to be yourself. You can get inspired with someone, but don't copy them, don't replicate them, right? So now we have few more points over here, like modify the element, not element, modify and eliminate boring parts of your script. Yes guys, you need to modify the things. Basically, you need to write the script first. After writing the script, you need to evaluate the script. You need to check the script whether it has any kind of boring part or not. If you find any kind of boring part in the script, you need to eliminate it. Either you can eliminate it or you can modify that part into a interesting part, right? So keep this thing in also your mind, because if your script has a high number of boring parts, then there's a high chance that your user will skip the video, obviously, right? Because they have the access to just hit one button and the video will be skipped. So keep this thing in your mind, that the video or the script shouldn't have any boring part, or the minimum number of boring parts, right? Now next point is position yourself as the audience while writing the script, and see if it is listener friendly. Yes guys, so you need to be in the shoes of your listener. Basically, you need to wear the hat of your audience and analyze your own script while writing, and after writing it, that whether the script is user friendly, not user friendly, viewer friendly and listener friendly, right? Because as a listener or as a viewer, if you are liking the video, then definitely your audience will also like the video, right? Now the last point is check whether the object is meat or not. Yes, so you need to check the whole script, whether the object which you have selected for that particular topic, for that specific topic, so you need to select that, not select that, you need to check that whether the objective is met or not, right? Because if the objective is not met, then what is the point of creating the video, right? So make sure about this thing as well. So this was all about how to write a script. I have mentioned all the key points. Now you need to keep these key points in your mind while writing a video script, and I'm damn sure that if you are creating a video script while keeping these points in your mind, then definitely you will end up with having a good, or you can say the high quality script in your YouTube career, or the highest quality script in your YouTube career right now, right? So let's wrap up this video here. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Also, let me add the CTA as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. More interesting and insightful videos are coming now.